Hello guys, so today I'm gonna bring you some of my game day favorite dishes. I'm gonna do some jalapeno poppers, I'm gonna do some wingettes with my new King Spice pepper.
All right, I'm here with Miss Gail Jennings and she's gonna tell you about her product.
This is King's Pepper, an award-winning blend of herbs and fiery spices that's based on a West African recipe. There's no salt, peanut, or MSG in the blend. But for centuries, this blend has been used to flavor soups and stews, meats, fish. It's very versatile. And the good thing about it is that you add the amount of salt you want in your recipe, so it's healthy.
And I just bought some. And I can't wait to try it on my wings tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thank you, Miss Gail.
And I got from the farmer's market yesterday. And I'm also going to do some plantain chips. Is it plantain? Plantain or plantain? So yes. Stay tuned. We got some yum yum goodies for you.
Hello guys, so right here I cut up my mango and my pineapple. I put a little white onion in there, some fresh thyme, and what this is going to be, this is some lovely sauce that came to my brain. This is going to be a mango pineapple sweet sauce for my wings, and my wings are really spicy. Let's get in closer there. So I'm just cooking down the mango, the pineapples, and the onions, and I'm gonna add in just a bit of my infused oil. Okay, it's infused with thyme, sage, rosemary, and pink Himalayan salt. So we're just gonna let that cook down, marinate for about 45 minutes. Okay, so I added some jam to my sauce, and this is looking wonderful. So now it's getting tender, cooking all the way down, and I'm gonna get to the point where I'm gonna blitz this up. Okay, so as I love to always say, stay tuned because we have some yum yum goodies coming.
About a good hour, and I have my King's Spice on them, my King's seasoning, and it's looking good, looking great. So I'm super excited to see the outcome. I'm gonna space them out so that they can cook evenly. Okay. And they smell oh so good, oh so scrumptious. There we go. I'm gonna put some fresh thyme in that right on top. I like cooking in great big iron skillet pots and pans because for one of the iron skillet, you get all of the iron that you need within this one pot. Also, you can turn it up as high as you want the oven, so you don't have to worry about it burning. So I'm doing sage, thyme, and rosemary. These are three of my favorite herbs here. And, we're gonna get these bad boys in the oven. I'm gonna do a little salt because remember, King's seasoning does not have salt in it or MSG. So the best thing that we can do is we add our own salt, and that is wonderful because that means that I can control the salt measurements and intake. So that is wonderful. King's just gives me the spice, the kick, the punch that I want. All right, a little bit more on top. Remember, King's pepper.
Here is my mango pineapple sauce. I got it cooked all the way down. I added some strawberry organic jam to it. And I also am about to add some ginger brew. Okay, this is gonna give it a little bit more kick because remember, this is a sweet sauce that's gonna go with my very spicy wings. And right here, I am gonna use my immersion blender. The first time, I'm so excited. My all clad. Ow. And here we go. This is gonna blend it up. It's a blade there, and you turn it on. I'm gonna have it on low, and it's gonna blend it up for me. See, like that. And I got it on low. That's why it's moving very slow. But as you can see, it's starting to come up. And this is very good for soups, for you can do baby food with it. And there we go. That's what I'm looking for right there. See how we're looking? I'm going to turn it up just a bit. So, there we go. There we go. Yes. Yes.
I lived through my mistakes. It's just a part of growing. And never for a single moment did I ever go without your love. You made me feel wanted. I wanna tell you how important you are to me. And I love. I do things that I wouldn't be here without the love I stand on. Anytime I get lost in the world, you'll always be there. I do care and share in the joy and the pain. Our love won't change. What I share with you, ever sacred, everlasting, the greatest love for me. I love you, and it's pure, and it will endure. The world can't break down the connection, 'cause our love is divine, and it's unbreakable. A faithful love that I will always keep first. My heart will never be hurt. A family that walks a fire for me, so I don't give her. Fans and friends, I chime into a love that's true. I dedicate myself to you. What I share with you, ever sacred, everlasting, the greatest love for me. I love you, and it's pure, and it will endure. The world can't break down the connection, 'cause our love is divine, and it's unbreakable. What I share with you, ever sacred, everlasting, the greatest love for me. I love you, and it's pure, and it will endure. The world can't break down the connection, 'cause our love is divine, and it's unbreakable. 'Cause our love is divine, and it's unbreakable. 'Cause our love is divine, and it's unbreakable. Hello. It's been a while. Lots to talk about. I'm glad you're still here. myself to you. I hope you enjoy. Side 1. I lived through my mistakes, it's just a part of growing. And never for a single moment did I ever go without your love. You made me feel wanted. I wanna tell you how important you are to me.